Right guys, we are back. So today I'm going to teach you how to pre-wash your car safely, and we've got a beautiful muddy Amarok, I think it's called. Look at this bad boy, brand new 2025 plate. Are you mad? Amarok, Leighton wheels, 4Motion, got a lot of dirt on it for you as well. So let's get it. First of all, just get the pre-wash all over. We're using citrus pre-wash by Iwax and Away. I'll tag the link below because this stuff's unbelievable, man. So yeah, like I said, all over, wherever you can put it, stick it on, don't be shy. And thank you guys for tuning in again. If you're a regular, we love you, man. If you're new, make sure you drop a subscribe and then we can love you as well. And if you're not new, drop a comment, let me know you're watching, let me know what you think of the video. So yeah, so like I said, I need to stop saying so yeah and so like, and I'm sorry guys if I keep on saying the same thing, but we are going to cover the whole car today. It's a big boy. What we used to do was we used to get the little spray guns, if you can see over here. We used to have our pre-wash in one of these, and before I went hench, mate. But now we're working smart, not hard. Get your pump spray. Got this one on a little deal from Home Base. I was going to say Home Bargains then. Home Base, 5 litre, does the job. Don't put 5 litres of pre-wash on your car, guys. Just cover it all. Once you put the pre-wash all over, let it sit for a few minutes as well so it can actually do some magic, dragging all the dirt down. And if your pump spray is looking like it's running out, let's get it back, let's get it back. I've not actually seen many of these on the road, to be fair, only this one. If you've seen any on the road, let me know in the comments, let me know where you're watching from. We'd love to see where all the fans are from. We love to see where any random watchers are from. We're trying to bust out into America, guys. And we've got some sick stuff coming. We're literally 40 hours away from getting on the YouTube program. So if you could like, share, comment, it'd be amazing, man. Right, so now we've left the pre-wash on to dwell for a few minutes. A little bit, spruce it up a little bit more. After this, we're going to be ready to jet wash off. Let's get it. Kranzel on. Let's hope to God the Kranzel doesn't. We had a little nightmare with the Kranzel today. It wanted to stop working, so we rang Malcolm from Aquaspray in Warrington, the Kranzel magician. And as soon as I was on the phone to him, guess what happened? The Kranzel started working again. What'd you say? Yeah, no, these are mine.
Alright.
Yeah, I got a pair, yeah.
My mate's got the sunglasses ones.
The sunglasses, yeah, the blenders, aren't they?
70 quid he paid for it.
70 quid? Paid 3 ton for mine.
Yeah, my mate got them off one of the smackers.
Yeah, he smashed it. Right, let's get it. So you heard the man himself. They got a steal on a pair of these Ray-Bans. 70 quid. Make sure you lock your cars at night, guys. Oh yeah, stuff will end up on the black market, man. can already see it now getting its shine back. So what do you guys think of the POV videos anyway? I want to know. Honest opinions in the comments now. Let's get it, guys, come on. And what car do you think's under there? I'll tell you at the end. It's an absolute beast, this. One day, guys, one day you keep on watching my YouTube videos, I'll be in one of these in a year's time. Let's get it, baby! For now, I'll be in the Biffa. Organic growth, guys. Boy. The wind slapped me in the face with some water then. Sorry about that, guys, we got cut off. We got an important phone call then. Right, so that is the pre-wash done. Let me just turn the cranzel off. Now let's have a look. You've seen all the dirt at the start of the video. This has took off all the dirt, ready for a contact wash, so it's nice and safe to go in with your mitt and you're not scratching the brand new paintwork. So that's the key to pre-washing. I've let you in a little secret there, guys. Make sure you pre-wash your car before contact washing, or you're going to end up with scratches, swirls all over the paintwork, and then when the sun hits it, you're going to be gutted. Well, thank you everyone for tuning in and watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was educational. I hope it did its part. I hope you now pre-wash your car going forward. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the video, and we'll see you again soon.